Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. And if you want to get lots of tips on skincare, hair care, and you want to watch lots of hauls, then you can subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing traditional Indian makeup look for beginners. So अभी शादी का season आ गया है, so I thought that this video will be helpful for many of you. So let's start without wasting any more time. Guys, will begin by prepping our skin because prepping your skin is so important, especially it's winter time. Your skin will be very dry, and if you are going for a wedding, then you want your base to be perfect. I will start applying. So for my cream, I'm using Clinique Moisture Surge because like winter time has already started, so you want to start with the thick cream so that it keeps your skin moisturized at all the time. And this is a wonderful cream, it's about to get over, and Nykaa Pink sale is going on, so I'm thinking about buying something. So already I purchased so many things, but I was thinking that I will buy this one. Yeah, I love this cream and Moisture Surge. So a review about this is already on my channel, so if you guys want to check. And again I will say, it's winter time and you will be out and you want your base to look flawless and perfect. So for that, skin prepping is so important. I will moisturize my lips as well, as I said, moisturizing our lips, skin, your hair, everything. So important. See, my skin is moisturized and prep, and it has a little bit glow. This is what I am going for because in weddings we have lots of pictures clicked and everything. Then I will go with my concealer. For concealer, foundations and everything, you want a foundation and concealer that doesn't flash back at you, because weddings ke andar you will be getting clicked a lot. There will be lots of pictures and you don't want ke wo white sa yellow sa आपका photo आए. Concealer at all the places where you feel you have darkness. So I will apply around my nose, around my lips area, little bit of blemishes I have. I will cover this as well. The damp beauty blender damp sponge, and will start blending it. Start pushing the product inside your face. The concealer is there, you want to take it at your eyelid as well because we'll be applying eyeshadow. So yeah, we don't want के बिल्कुल plain के ऊपर we apply eyeshadow. For foundation, I am using Faces Canada's. This is a very lightweight foundation, and you want to use the foundation because even if you feel that your skin is good and all, but there will be lots of pictures and lots of light, so you don't want that little bit of difference in the skin tone, because there will be a little bit of difference. So yeah, always that's my preference, that go with a little bit of foundation. So this is a very runny foundation, guys, and I absolutely love this one. So take a foundation which lasts you for a long time, because you will be there for a long time and you don't want your foundation to start slipping and moving. So yes, and go with the foundation that lasts for at least 7 to 8 hours, because you don't know how long it will be there. Take your foundation in your hairline, because you don't want a stark line, that you don't want to people to see where your hair is starting and where your hair and your line between of your hair and face. And apply the foundation whatever visible area is there. If you are wearing blouse, at your this place, little bit on your back, this is what I will suggest, do that. Take little bit more. I feel this will be a little bit long video because I already done one video regarding Indian festival or wedding makeup look, and I have done quite few makeup tutorials for festivals, that can be done for a wedding as well. I have taken the foundation till my like suit over here, so yeah, make sure of that, because like you don't want this thing to look different in your face. Skin is looking of one tone only, so what I will suggest you guys to take a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. I'm taking Maybelline one for that. Can you see, like this is 2 tones lighter than my skin tone. So like this I will use as a highlighter. So what will happen, my this area will get highlighted and will come little bit forward. Not actually, but yeah. Sure, I'm looking so funny right now. And like don't drag the like this concealer to here, because then your whole face will start looking white, and you don't want that. You only want like this area to be highlighted. I'm quite happy with how my base is looking, so my next step would be to set my face, and I mean setting my face properly, because you do not want to skip on this step. Because like for weddings, when we are going for weddings, and like we are there for a long period of time, and if you are not setting your face, your makeup will start melting. Literally it will start melting, like guys, trust me. So don't forget to set your makeup no matter what. Even if you don't apply anything else, just set your makeup. I did a huge mistake. I forgot to apply primer as always. I don't know. Anyways, like I'm doing a tutorial only, but you guys like keep the primer at the front. Don't forget it. Like apply primer. Like this is very necessary, because like it will give a base for your makeup to stick on, and it will last for much longer if you are having primer on your skin. So now I am using Maybelline Fit Me to set my face. So I will bake a bit over here. Plain brush, so I am like dusting off the bake whatever is there. I want to contour my face, because like I'm going for a wedding. I want to look like my cheeks to look little bit chiseled, and I want to add the warmth to my face. For that I'm using Sugar's foundation stick. So always contour with a shade which is 2 tones darker than your skin tone. So 2-tone thing formula, remember, like if you are highlighting, go for 2 tones lighter, and if you are contouring or doing like contouring your face, go a 2 tone higher. So I hope you are getting what I'm saying. So like this is the tone this is the stick I'm using. So I will create using my fingers to blend the contour. I have like blended everything using my fingers only. So you guys can use a blush or your sponge as well, anything. Quickly move on to the eyes. We'll do the bronzer, blush, highlight later after the eyes. So I am doing my eyebrows. I will do off camera, because I don't think so like there is remotely anything exciting to see someone doing eyebrows. But yes, I will be back. I have done my eyebrows, so I will move on to my eyes. So for my eyes, I am using my most trusted eyeshadow palette, which I know will not fail me, because I don't want, and generally as I know that we are not going out anywhere, and also we are doing makeup on our own. So like go for your trusted eyeshadow palette. And yes guys, I am also doing a makeup look that you can transform that day to night transformation. So like that will come very handy when you don't have that much time and you have done your makeup in the morning, और सुबह में कुछ रस्में हैं या कुछ है, जैसे थोड़ा सा हल्दी का है या कुछ है, तो you don't want to overdo or like thing, and you don't have time to redo your makeup, full makeup. So what you can do, you can transform that day makeup look to night makeup look. So I think that will be very helpful for you guys. So video will be next. Video will be up on my channel next. So yeah, like stay tuned for that. For like my makeup, for my eye makeup, I will be keeping it relatively very simple, because as you all know, I try to do, you know, makeup tutorials for beginners, like that are beginner friendly makeup tutorials. So even if you are trying makeup for the first time, I think I say this in my every video. But yeah, I'm taking this shade, so like this is the shade. Always tap off the excess. This is the shade I applied on my eyelid. So as you guys can see, always go for browns on your, like, if you are a beginner and like you don't know how to blend properly that much, then always go for nudes, because nudes will save you no matter what. A little bit dense blush, as you guys can see, like it's thick but it's not that fluffy, it's little bit dense. So what I will do, I will take a little bit darker shade, like this shade, little or brown orange kind of shade, like this is what I will take. Tap of the excess and will take it on my crease. Swipe motion. As you guys can see, like what this will do, this will give a depth to your eyes. Will take this copper shade, because I feel हर एक इंडियन ड्रेस में एक कॉपर गोल्डन टाइप का कलर होता ही है. देन यू डू दिस एंड लाइक यू कैन प्ले अप विद कलर्स लिटिल बिट इफ यू वांट. लाइक अगर आपकी साड़ी लहंगा येलो कलर का है, ऑरेंज रेड कलर का है, तो क्रीज के अंदर जहाँ पे मैंने वो थिक ब्रश से लाइक ऑरेंज काइंड ऑफ शेड लिया है, वहां पे आप कोई भी कलर ले सकते हो. इट विल लुक गॉर्जियस. सो उसके बाद आप ग्लिटर अप्लाई कर लो, बिकॉज लाइक ग्लिटर सेव्स द डे. लाइक आपका थोड़ा सा भी मेकअप लुक ऊपर नीचे हुआ है एंड लाइक इफ यू हैव गॉन अप एंड डाउन लिटिल बिट विद योर मेकअप लुक, ग्लिटर विल सेव योर डे. सो आई विल टेक दिस कलर ओवर हियर ऑन माई फिंगर. दिस इज सो पिगमेंटेड. Is how pretty it is looking. I have just added like shimmer, like Huda Beauty के palettes are amazing. Pink Friday sale चल रहा, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ एक आध पैलेट और ले लेती हूँ. Let's see. I want to buy. I don't want to spend that much, but I really need my moisture surge because now I cannot function without. I do very thin layer of eyeliner because I will try to apply falsies. I don't know कितना टाइम लगने वाला है उसमें. So little bit. My kajal, I don't think so. Maybelline, I don't think so. कोई भी like Indian look काजल के बिना complete है. वो खत्म हो गया था. I have another one. Yeah, because like I will take this small, blend it properly into my skin. I'm loving this one. I will like apply little bit of blush. I apply blush of this color over here. As I said, you can switch colors up and down a bit. Like I have gone for like little bit of brown blush because मेरी eyes का look orange kind of tone में जा रहा था. So if you wanted to go for pink blush, red blush, anything that you want, you can go with this. Just apply a tad little bit on, and like I will curl my eyelashes. Guys, now I have done my lipstick and I have applied little bit of highlighter. So like always go for, like if you are making your eyes to pop out, like go for a nude lip. Otherwise it will not look nice, because like don't play up both of the things. As I have mentioned this in my like one video as well, makeup mistakes that you should avoid at all costs, that will prevent you from looking like a disaster. So yes, like I have done my nude lip, and now my final step is makeup fixer. Like this is your savior. Do not step out without fixing your makeup. Like if you are going out with makeup for 2 or 3 hours, that is fine, but if you are like planning to stay out all night or like more than 7 to 8 hours, which might be the case because कहीं जाने में ही 2 घंटे लग जाते हैं आजकल, So like always set your face with a makeup fixer. So for my makeup fixer, I am using Swiss Beauty makeup fixer and I absolutely love this one. So I will spray it on my face. Will do, it will lock everything together. I will use my sponge and like will mesh and blend everything together. One is married with each other. Wedding reference. You guys can see how beautifully it like sets your face and it melts and blends everything together, making a concoction on your face itself. So in case there is some harsh line or everything, so like everything will blend and melt with each other, giving a very, you know, fine look to your face. Like as you guys can see, I am loving how this makeup look turned out. You let me know how you like this Indian traditional Indian wedding makeup look for beginners. And if you do check out my next video where I am doing day makeup transformation to night makeup transformation, that can come very handy at this time, like you know, doing haldi makeup look to shadi ka makeup look or shagan makeup look. And this makeup look you can carry, anyone can carry, even if you are a simple like no थोड़ा दूर का गेस्ट, और इफ यू आर अ यू नो लड़के की बहन मम्मी पापा बोलने लगी थी मैं मम्मी, तो लाइक यू कैन लाइक थोड़ा सा ऊपर थोड़ा सा नीचे करके यू कैन मैनेज इट एंड लाइक दिस इज सच अ प्रिटी लुक. यू गाइज लेट मी नो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस लुक. आई तो लव इट. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.